All right, guys. I got this is my Dakota. yeah. I know. I got 2 or 3 trucks. I got 2 trucks actually. My Nissan's on a flat, but I'm getting ready to go and do a scrapyard run with the Dakota. Now it's not enough goodies in here, and this stuff here, this big cabinets, they just taking up space. They not even worth a lot of money. But there's guys at the job decided to put them on the back of my truck as if I'm gonna make a killing off of them. Now, I ain't mind the wheels, okay, and the batteries and things like that, but I need to make this worth my while. So what I'm gonna do is go out there to my red truck and put some more goodies on here. Whatever I can fit in this little space, and a couple of more radiators. At any rate, I gotta make it worth my while, guys. I can't be wasting time. But I have a load. Now, stuff back here is stuff I really wanted to keep, but it don't look like I'm a, when we clean up, we had to get all our stuff out of here. So I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and just throw some of this away because I can't hang on to it for life. You know what I'm saying? There's a whole input clutch assembly to the transmission down there. Why am I keeping this? Some may call me a hoarder. I don't really think I'm a hoarder. Here's my, good Lord, I've been looking all over for this. Man, Harbor Freight, guys. I bought this a long time ago. I was doing that Jeep, I never forget, Starline. The rep asked me what was the leak down reading on it. I didn't have a tester, so I went to Harbor Freight and got a Pittsburgh one. This thing is still brand new, never opened it. I don't know what it's worth. I don't need it. I think I ended up using somebody else, but I guess I will have my own if I keep it. But I can't get my money back, so one of 2 things, sell it or keep it. Yes, so I got just enough room for the driver, guys, to get me where I need to go. Make sure these tires got proper air pressure. Now, the tags on this thing is expired. What I have to do before I do anything is call Progressive Insurance and put some insurance on it. Guys, it's okay to ride. I ain't gonna even say it's okay. Ride around with no registration. But whatsoever you do not ride around without insurance. Okay, at all. So, look at that. I'm starting to make a mess. Let me get out of here before I get blamed for that. So I'm gonna have to call Progressive and put some liability insurance on it. Then I'm gonna head to the scrap yard. But first, let me go steal some stuff off of my Nissan, okay? Because this truck ain't full enough. It started right up and everything, guys. I thought maybe I would have to jump it off, but it's good to go. So guys, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, yeah, they still doing construction work out here, guys. Oh, so I stand a better chance of making it with this load than I do my truck. Actually, my truck is too far gone. It is now officially on a flat. Officially dead. Okay, not dead, but it's on a flat. Y'all know those tires dry rot real quick. Real quick. All right, so only thing I'm interested in is what's on the back of the truck. And that happens to be a few goodies. I'm gonna take the smallest, the batteries. I'm gonna grab the batteries, guys. I can get the most bang for my buck at the scrap yard with the battery. There it is, on a freaking flat. So let me steal some goodies off of here and put it on here. All right, guys, so yeah, I can't wait to get the tire on this mug, right? So not much, whatever, how many radiators I can get in the batteries, guys. So y'all hold tight. Let me load this thing up and well, I'm gonna set some stuff on the side. Yeah, we'll get it cracking, guys. Hold tight, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got much of the, ooh, that's some good looking aluminum there, buddy. And these radiators, I ain't got no room for the radiators, but I got all the money stuff off. Those are good batteries, actually. So I think this now works my time and my while to go out here now. I don't know what y'all think. At least $100 maybe. $100 is more bucks than I had before. That's the way I always look at it. And on top of that, I'm not making money right now. I'm not doing anything. So why not? That's the way my brain runs, man. My brain is always, okay, what can I do now to make some money? It's slow at the shop. Today's Saturday, by the way. And I think the scrapyard closed early. Why is this on here? Ain't no money in this plastic. Somebody just decided to put this on the back of my truck. It's just taking up space. I could get another radiator back there. Ooh, but it might slide. Yeah, all right, I'll leave that alone. I'm just greedy like that, guys. This is now worth my while. So let me call Progressive Auto Insurance and just tell them to turn on liability for a good 1 hour. Cause as soon as I'm done, I'm parking this mug in time for my next script. That's all the truck good for, guys. So I don't know what is insurance for 1 day. It's not even registered. The tags expire. A buddy gave me this. I had plans for it, but as you can see, plans are ruined because the truck is ruined internally. It's a nice running truck. Man, I had a truck. The tires just, well, you know the story behind that. So guys, let me get to it. I'm headed to the scrap yard. I'll catch up with y'all. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm all set. Got liability insurance on it. Looks like I shouldn't have no problem. That's not gonna fall. I'm not gonna go no faster than 30 miles an hour anyway. So guys, oh man, I forgot gloves. Oh, I got one right there. All right, guys, I'm headed to the scrap yard. Let's get it. Whoa, all right, guys, I had to pull over. Whoa, I felt a major vibration. I thought it was a misfire, guys. Something is making this whole freaking car shake. Look at that. I had to get off the road. I do not want to be stranded with all this junk. All right, let me turn it off, turn it back on. So, all right, hold on. See, it's not doing it when I first started. Guys, let me see something. It's either this, because I've started thinking it was a motor mount. First I thought it was a misfire. You know how you can tell if it's a misfire? You simply bog the car down. You simply bog the car down. It could be a fan clutch, because all of this is just vibrating. The only thing up here is the electric fan, and of course the fan clutch. It's not a misfire. Bog it down, no misfire. So I can almost suspect if the car cooled down, the electric fan go off, it might be fine. In fact, I might just unplug the electric fan. I got a fan clutch, but guys, you still need electric fan. I'm not using AC or anything like that, so but I gotta get this junk off of here and I gotta get back to the shop. I cannot be stranded out here like this. Let me see something. No, do I have the AC on or anything like that? Nothing's on. Why is this sucker vibrating like this? God forbid that fan clutch. Wow, y'all hear that? Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's either the fan clutch or the electric fan. I'm not sure how I can get this fan. I'm trying to see if the electric fan run. Yes, the electric fan is running. Why? Maybe the car is at operating temperature. Maybe the temperature is dictating that the fan come on. So it's one of the two, guys, either electric fan or the fan clutch. Okay, now because I've been driving 10 minutes and the car is at operating temperature, maybe that's why the electric fan came on in the first place, because the fan clutch has always been running. Y'all know how fan clutch work, right? It tends to try to turn off if you're going fast or at highway speeds. I'm looking for the electric fan connector. I want to unplug it, guys. Or one or two options. Let the car cool off until the electric fan is no longer needed, which is dictated by the coolant temp sensor. That fan electric connector got to be up under here because it's not visible this way. Let me see something. Nope, I'm not too far from the scrap yard, guys. I gotta get here, so I might have to take a chance. Y'all wish me luck. Wish your boy luck. I gotta get here and get back. Let's get it. Stay tuned. I'll let y'all know what happened. I'm over half on the cooling mark. Yeah, so the car's trying to overheat and the electric fan came on. So the most important thing I can do, simply let the car cool off. So the fan came on when temperature dictated such. I'm over half. It's trying to come down now. So I might as well let it come down with the car off. Let me go inside here and find something to do for maybe 10-15 minutes. But there's only one problem, guys. Scrapyard closed at 3 o'clock and they want us there by 2. The last car in by 2. So I gotta make a decision. Y'all know what? Decision has been made. I gotta go.